I probably look pretty crazy standing out here in the rain having a coffee.
What is going on, guys? I am back with a quick, well, it's probably not be quick because I have a tendency to drone on. As many of you know, I got an Iceland trip coming up and I needed a waterproof coat. So I went on Amazon and I found this company called WantDo, and I ordered this pretty cool coat. And there's something I want to show you at the end that hopefully I can get this to work. So as you can see, it's still brand new. I still have the tags on it. It said the brand is WantDo. I never heard of them, but they have pretty good ratings. I needed a waterproof coat, and I've been really going back and forth about even bringing a coat because it's the middle of July when I'm leaving here. It'll probably be 80 degrees, and over there the highs are going to be in the 50s, which I keep thinking, oh, that's not bad. The lows can be in the 40s, and it can get pretty windy. So I really went back and forth and decided to break down and get a coat. This is really cool because it has an inner lining. I feel like a fashion model. So I have the waterproof shell and this warm inside. Matter of fact, I'm going to take this off because I'm really getting hot right now. So if it's, pretty warm, I can just take this out and just wear the jacket. I'm hoping maybe most of the time the jacket will be warm enough, but it's driving me crazy not knowing. The jacket is a little bit big. This is an extra large. I almost bought a 2XL. I'm glad I didn't because I got these really long arms. But this should fit fine. But I want to show you what I thought was pretty cool about this. Okay, so I stand corrected. I actually thought I bought an XL. Hopefully you can see that, but this is actually a 2XL, so that's probably why it's kind of large. The lining goes back in. It's pretty cool. It clips in here, and on the sleeves, if I can find a sleeve, and if you can see it, there's also a clip there to keep the sleeves in. So let's roll that back over. So the thing is, this big, thick, heavy coat, it came in this little bag. And I want to see if I can get the genie back in the bottle, get it back in this bag. I normally just travel with a backpack. I don't think I'm going to be able to do it this trip, but I'm thinking maybe I can just take two backpacks or one backpack and a tiny suitcase. I'm going to try to get them both as carry-on. Worst case, if they don't, I'll just pay for luggage, and I hate paying for luggage. But I want to see if I can, I don't see how that came out of here. But I want to see if I can get this back into here, because if I can just fit that in a suitcase or in a backpack, and that will save me a lot of room. So let's give it a try. Wow, well, much to my surprise, that was kind of easy to get back in that bag. That coat just looked so huge. But I got it back into my backpack that's been everywhere with me, and I will still have room in that backpack. I can put like my electronics in there, maybe some socks and some underwear. So there's a chance I might be able to get away with 2 backpacks. If I get another backpack, I can get a couple pair of pants in there, my rain pants. And see with that now, I don't know if I need to bring hoodies. Maybe I'll take one hoodie, I don't know. But anyway, yeah, guys, so that's a brand called WantDo. It's a very good jacket. I got it off of Amazon. I think it was like $71 or something like that. So everything's starting to come together. All right, so check this out, people. I just happen to have my raincoat that I bought in my car. And as you can see, the rain is just coming down like crazy. I only got to walk about 20 feet to get to work. But hey, let's try this thing out and see if it actually works. I do also have a waterproof case on my phone, which makes me nervous. But yeah, we're going to walk that 20 feet and see if I stay dry. And yeah, I'm trying to hold this with one hand. I got water on the lens.
Yeah, so far so good. You gotta adjust this hood, get these tags cut off. But this thing, it's keeping me pretty dry. That water is driving me crazy right now. Yeah, you can tell it's pretty wet out here. And the lens is getting fogged up. All right, a little bit easier to see now. I gotta fix this hood thing. But I'm gonna walk back out to my car in this pouring rain. You know the cool thing about this makes me want to actually go for a hike in the rain, since I'm actually able to stay dry. And I cannot see a thing with this hood. I'll get that figured out later. Phone staying good, body staying dry. Yeah, I'm digging this. All right, so this jacket is really warm. Also got on my Columbia waterproof boots I bought. Yes, like every time, as soon as I wipe it off, it just gets fogged up. But yeah, this coat's, I think it's actually gonna be pretty waterproof. I probably look pretty crazy standing out here in the rain, having a coffee, on my phone, talking to myself. But I'd much rather know if this thing works here than before I get to Iceland and find out it's actually not waterproof. But I don't know if you can see, the water's actually beating up. Yeah, all right, so I gotta get to work. Just thought I'll show you guys that real quick. I'll talk to you later.